Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson, and we're back over at the barn repair job by St. Clair, where we just finished doing some repair work in the inside. What we did was we replaced the mid-roof support beam, and it had snapped off and fallen out of there years ago, and we weren't actually able to get it lined up with the other ones very well because there was so much weight on it from the roof. But we did as best we could, and we put in the two knee braces, which had fallen out also, and we're ready to tear down the scaffolding right now. The other part of the job that we did was installation of 3 dead men. And if you don't know what a dead man is, it's not a corpse. It's actually usually a concrete or a weight or something that's put in the ground to serve as an anchor. And what we're trying to anchor is this concrete wall here, which was installed to replace an old stone wall, but I don't know, they put a 12-inch thick wall in there, but maybe they forgot the steel or something. But we drilled holes through the concrete wall and ran a cable from there over to this dead man, which has got a rebar sticking out of the cement. This goes down in the ground 4 feet, and it's 20 inches in diameter. So there's about 1,000 pounds of weight there, and it's below frost, so it's never going to move. And you can see this one here too. We backfilled them yesterday before we left, and I don't know. I think it's not frozen up solid yet, but here you go. This is a 5/8 inch steel rod that goes through the wall, called a ready rod. It's a threaded rod. So it goes through the wall, and then we have nuts on the other side that we can tighten up the cable and everything and put some tension on it so it resists any more movement inward. So hopefully that works. Anyhow, thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you at the next barn.